Here are 4 of the most common at-home Tinea Versicolor removal remedies. Remedy 1. Tea tree oil. For this method, 100% tea tree oil is applied over top of each tinea spot with the use of a Q-tip. The application of this oil should be done twice a day, once at night and once in the morning, and it should be left on the skin throughout the day and night. For those with lots of tinea spots, it is suggested that they remove the drip cap from the tea tree bottle so they can dip the Q-tip directly into the bottle for a quicker application. Note that those skin spots may disappear. The application of tea tree oil should be continued for up to 1 month after application first started. Remedy 2. Selsun Blue Shampoo, 2.5%. This method works by applying Selsun Blu shampoo over each tinea spot and allowing it to sit on the skin for 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off. The application of this shampoo should be done daily and continued for up to 2 weeks. Remedy 3. Coconut oil and oil of oregano. This method works by mixing 4 to 5 drops of oil of oregano with half a teaspoon of coconut oil, and then applying the mixture over top of each tinea spot. Like with method 1, the application of this mixture should be done twice daily, once at night and once in the morning, and the mixture should be allowed to sit on the skin throughout both day and night. Remedy 4. Apple cider vinegar, also known as ACV. For this method, an applicator pad is used to apply a healthy amount of ACV over top of each Tinea Versicolor spot. Since the smell of vinegar can be quite unpleasant, it is suggested that the application be conducted before bed and left on the skin throughout the night. Like with methods 1 and 3, this application should be continued for up to 1 month. Though the methods given in this video can treat the Tinea Versicolor within a couple of weeks, these methods will not treat the underlying cause of this condition. Recent studies have shown that diet can play a significant role in fungal overgrowth, both on the skin and within the body. As always, if you found this information useful, please help us out by giving us a like and smashing that subscribe button.